In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate an email in Gmail. If you've ever received an email in a language you don't understand, you'll know how important it is to have a handy translation feature at your fingertips. Thankfully, Gmail offers a simple way to translate emails directly within the platform, saving you from copying and pasting text into a separate translation tool. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open the Gmail app or go to the Gmail website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox. Here you'll find all your emails, including the one in the language you'd like to translate. Click on the specific email to open it. It should display in its original language, which might look unfamiliar and daunting if you're not fluent in it. When you open an email, look towards the top section of the email where the email header is located. Here, you're going to find a little overflow menu icon. This often looks like 3 vertically aligned dots or a gear icon, depending on the device and interface version. Give it a click to open a drop-down menu. This menu offers several useful options for managing your selected email. From the drop-down, look through the options for the one labeled Translate Message or Translate Email. Clicking on this option will prompt Gmail to translate the email content for you. By default, Gmail chooses your preferred language, which is generally the language you set when creating your Google account or most frequently use in Gmail. However, Gmail also provides an option for you to select a different language if you need. After selecting your preferred language, Gmail will reload the page or the email content area to showcase the translated version of your email. You might notice that not all components of the email translate perfectly, especially specific idioms or domain-specific terminology. This is quite common with automated translations. Even though the translation might not be perfect, it will certainly give you a better understanding of the message than seeing it in a language that's foreign to you. If after the translation you wish to toggle back to the original text of the email, Gmail conveniently allows you to do so. On the newly translated email header, you'll find an option to view the original text. Clicking this will revert the email back to its original language, allowing you to compare both versions if you need. Finally, with the translation feature in Gmail, you can respond to emails in languages you're more comfortable with, utilizing Google's translation services to assist you in typing the body of your email if necessary. This makes communication across different languages seamless, whether for personal or business purposes. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to translate emails directly within Gmail. Give it a try the next time you encounter an email in a language you're not familiar with. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.